Something exciting is stirring again in the world of lightweight adventure motorcycles. Not about chasing horsepower, not about flashy technology, but about rediscovering freedom, confidence, and connection on two wheels. Riders are looking for bikes that feel alive yet approachable, reliable yet playful. This is Acer Rider, and this is the 2026 Yamaha TW200. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is not just a motorcycle, it is an invitation, an entry into a world where riding is simple, intuitive, and endlessly fun. This bike is built for those who want to explore without intimidation, who want to feel confident everywhere they ride. From city streets to light trails, from the very first glance, the TW200 commands attention without shouting. The design is rugged, yet friendly. The stance is upright and purposeful. The tires are chunky and ready for anything. The proportions are balanced. Nothing feels excessive. Everything looks functional. Step closer and you notice the practical details. The wide seat, the upright handlebars, the low center of gravity. The bike feels accessible. It feels ready to teach you confidence. Swing a leg over the TW200 and the magic becomes real. The seat height is manageable. Your feet touch the ground naturally. The bike feels light and balanced. The handlebars fall perfectly into your hands. Your posture is upright, relaxed, and commanding. This is no accident. Yamaha designed the TW200 so you feel secure before you even start the engine. Every angle, every position is about building trust. Turn the key and start the engine. The TW200 comes alive with character. The sound is soft yet purposeful. Not aggressive, not overwhelming, but alive. The throttle response is smooth and predictable. The engine delivers usable power exactly where you need it. Low-speed torque for tight maneuvers. Mid-range pull for cruising. Enough punch for light trail adventure. In city riding, the TW200 is effortless. Traffic feels less stressful. Stops and starts are smooth. The bike flows through streets naturally. You don't wrestle it. You guide it. Its lightweight nature makes slow-speed maneuvers easy. Parking feels simple. U-turns are a breeze. Even navigating narrow streets feels intuitive. You guide the bike rather than fight it. On open roads, the TW200 settles into a comfortable rhythm. Cruising is relaxed. The engine hums steadily. You feel connected, not rushed, not overwhelmed. On winding back roads, the bike shines. Lean into a curve and the TW200 responds smoothly. Lines feel natural. Corrections are effortless. Confidence builds with every turn. This is where it teaches rhythm. Not speed, not aggression, just flow. When the pavement ends, the TW200 shows its dual-purpose nature. Gravel paths, light dirt trails, uneven surfaces. The suspension absorbs bumps calmly. The chassis stays stable. You remain in control. Standing on the pegs feels natural. Weight shifts feel intuitive. The bike responds immediately. Trail riding becomes approachable. Fun instead of intimidating. Comfort plays a huge role. The wide seat supports without stiffness. The upright posture reduces fatigue. Your arms remain relaxed. Your back stays comfortable. Longer rides are inviting, not exhausting. Fuel efficiency is another advantage. The TW200 sips fuel. You can ride longer. Stops become fewer. Spontaneous detours are easier. You ride because you want to, not because you have to plan. Maintenance is simple and practical. Yamaha built the TW200 to be reliable. Proven components. Straightforward design. A bike built to keep going. This reliability builds trust. Trust that the bike will start. Trust that it will perform consistently. Trust that it can be your daily companion. Technology is supportive but unobtrusive. The display is clear and readable. Controls are intuitive. Nothing distracts you from the ride. Braking feels smooth and confidence-inspiring. Stopping is predictable and controlled, even when surfaces change. Over time, the TW200 teaches lessons. Patience, smoothness, awareness, respect for momentum. These lessons shape riders. They refine instinct. They improve every future ride. The TW200 is not a bike you outgrow quickly. It is a foundation, a learning tool, a machine that grows with you. New riders gain confidence. Returning riders rediscover joy. Experienced riders appreciate the simplicity and playful feel. The bike never feels excessive. It never feels outdated. It always feels honest. Many riders remember motorcycles like this for a lifetime, because this is where riding stops being intimidating and starts being fun. The TW200 is not about winning races. It is about riding well. It teaches riders to understand control, respect machines, and ride with intention. This philosophy is more important than ever. As motorcycles become heavier and more complex, strong foundations are essential. The TW200 delivers that foundation quietly, without hype, without pressure, without intimidation. Over time, the bike fades into the background, and the experience takes over. Skill replaces fear. Confidence replaces hesitation. You stop thinking about the motorcycle and start thinking about balance, flow, movement. That is the true strength of the 2026 Yamaha TW200. So who is this motorcycle really for? It is for beginners taking their first real adventure, for commuters who want simplicity, for weekend explorers seeking fun trails, for anyone who values connection over complexity. Because the best motorcycles are not the biggest or loudest. They are the ones you want to ride again tomorrow. The TW200 invites you back again and again. It does not shout. It communicates. It does not intimidate. It cooperates. Every ride feels personal. Every mile feels meaningful. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is not about limits. It is about freedom. It is about flow. It is about enjoying every ride to its fullest. This is Acer Rider. Ride light, ride confident, ride with intention, and never underestimate a motorcycle that quietly teaches you how to truly enjoy the ride.